Commandments of Airsoft. Here's the first one. You shall accept hits.
Did I hit you? Nope, but close.
The second commandment. You shall stick with your team.
Stick together, team. Go, go, go.
Guys? Guys, right here. Guys?
The third commandment. You should just take as much stuff as you need.
Okay, I'm ready for battle.
Okay, let's go.
The fourth commandment. You should never underestimate your enemy.
Alright team, there's only one enemy left. Let's go get him!
Yeah, go, go, go! Oh shit!
Get out, get out, get out, get out!
Oh yeah, Costa, try!
Commandment number 5. You shall watch your steps. Seriously.
Ow!
Number 6. You shall not overdo it. You shall not get distracted.
Man, come on, look at that. What I've got here.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Yeah, what to touch it up.
Oh, so sexy.
So beautiful.
Wow. We should get going before the enemies are here.
Okay, let's go. You guys want to have a look?
第8届，你要听管理人员的话。What are you doing here?
Commandment number 8. You shall listen to the game master.
Game master order, you're out.
I don't think so.
I said game master order, you're out.
Leave me alone, fucktard.
What? I said game master order. Seriously.
Santa want a Barbie for Christmas.
Come on, get up. I'm not Santa. Move. Commandment number 9. You should always be dressed properly. And the final commandment.
You shall have fun!
You!
And that, my children, were the 10 commandments of Airsoft.
But Santa, I thought you were going to read something from the new Harry Potter book for us.
And what about Hermione? And Ron?